Hi. One of the things that I'm starting to see a lot of with rapidly expanding SaaS growth marketing paid ads, in particular paid search, is I'm seeing a disconnect between keyword expansion and landing page expansion. Let me describe what I mean there. A lot of times there can be a lot of opportunity for keyword expansion. So you have this, what I think about as a dartboard, and as you go further out from the bullseye, you start to dilute the intent of the search query, but you still have a certain click-through rate and a conversion rate that you can expect. And the goal should be to keep expanding those keywords further and further away from that bullseye until you no longer are getting positive return on ad spend. And in a lot of cases, when you go to adjacent categories and you start looking around at adjacent intent, you can have massive keyword expansion opportunities. What I see a lot of marketers failing, though, is to expand those keywords without having a landing page strategy. For every different type of intent, you really need to match that intent on a landing page that speaks to that intent. So if you've been sending a lot of paid search traffic, let's say to your homepage, or maybe to features pages, or maybe you even have some specific landing pages, as you expand those keywords, you really should plan on growing also the number of unique landing pages. There is really a new rule within Google Ads that they have been very, very explicit about, which is now every single ad group in Google Ads needs to have its own unique landing page. So think about that. And those of you who have an account structure with hundreds and hundreds or maybe thousands of ad groups, well, now Google is saying every one of those ad groups needs its own unique landing page. And I think this is probably an area where most SaaS companies that we see and talk to are the most underinvested. They put a lot of money into paid search, they have massive keyword expansion, but they don't keep pace with unique landing pages that speak to all those different types of adjacent intent for all those expanded keywords. This takes a lot of work, but the best way to think about doing that is to create some templates, some landing page templates, where you can plug in different elements. You can change the headline to match the intent. You can swap out images, maybe even swap out videos. And we're mainly talking about the creative that is above the fold, which is the immediately visible area of screen real estate. So I would start there. I would think about how you can scale creative changes within templates for landing pages as a first step to trying to match your keyword expansion with landing page expansion. Thanks.